If you had to boil your philosophy down to a few elements, and if you wanted to recommend to people ways of following that philosophy, what would you say?
There's first this discernment between the absolute and the relative. Discernment, absolute and the relative, Atma and Maya, reality and illusion, and so, and then prayer. Because if you believe, if you understand what is essential and what is absolute, you want to assimilate it. Otherwise, one is a hypocrite. And in order to assimilate the truth of the absolute, you must pray. There are three kinds of prayer. First, canonical prayer. In Christianity, it's Lord's Prayer. And then free personal prayer, like the Psalms in the Bible. David, Psalms is personal prayer, to talk with God. And third is prayer of the heart, essential prayer, which is an act of contemplation in the innermost self. And this is esotericism. And I'm interested in this. And I say to people, you must pray, always pray. You must have at least one canonical prayer every day. And then you must talk to God. But you must always pray, like St. Paul said in an epistle, always pray. And this is prayer of the heart. And the Eastern Church knows this practice very well. The Jesus prayer, Japa Yoga in Hinduism. This is a second thing. And the third thing is intrinsic morality, beauty of the soul, nobility, humility, which means objectivity towards oneself, charity, which is objectivity towards the neighbor, domination of oneself, generosity. This is beauty of the soul. This is intrinsic morality. And then the fourth dimension is beauty of forms, of surroundings, of dresses, of comportment. That's all.